Alright, so I had a call with a colleague yesterday and she mentioned that she wanted to host a webinar, but before people can have access to the webinar, she wants them to pay. Then I realized that I have something like that in Links Palace, so I want to show you exactly how it works. So right on this page, I have just one button, and that is the pay now to join class. So that is the same button that will take me to the class. So what I will do now is I will go ahead and make payment and see exactly what happens next. So I click on the button, right? And the pop-up comes up. So I will go ahead and enter my email address for me to be able to make payment. So I will enter the email address. Then I click on pay now. So immediately I click on pay now, right? Paystack option comes up. So I will go ahead and choose transfer for this purpose. So I'm going to be using my phone to do the transfer. So right, I'm working on the transfer on my phone. So I have just completed the payment on my phone. Now it has been detected on my computer. So now you can see the payment is successful, and the next thing now is I will be redirected to the webinar. As you can see, the page is loading and now I'm live at the waiting room. So the countdown is now over. Let's see what happens next. So you can see I'm right in the webinar, and this is how you can actually run a paid webinar here in Nigeria. With this option, you can ask your audience to make payment before they have access to your webinar. And with this, you can actually make more money by getting your webinar behind paywall. And that's exactly what I've just demonstrated to you. And you can see right, the webinar is on. By the way, by default, the audio is muted. But if you click on the speaker icon right here, you will be able to hear the webinar live. Let's do that right and see.
Is what I want to talk about. Visiting.
So you can see on clicking the speaker icon, the audio comes out, and that's exactly everything you need to know. So right, you have seen how you can run paid webinar here in Nigeria. Would you like to try this? Go ahead and drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.